If you guys are looking for floating shelves, these ones are absolutely gorgeous. So I just wanted to pop on to show them to you guys. I haven't had the chance to install these yet for the bar area where I'm going to be putting them, and I will update once I do that. But these are absolutely gorgeous. So let me show you. So it says quick and easy install, no pre-drilling required, and also designed in the USA. There's a super cute note inside. Love that. Install in 10 minutes, turn over for instructions. So this shows you exactly what you are supposed to do to install these, which is great. These are actually like detailed instructions. You will need a power drill or screwdriver, a level, and a pencil or a marker. And here are the boards themselves. They are really heavy duty, well-made pieces of wood. So it's 100% solid wood. You can see here it's a thick piece of wood. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the color and design that I picked out. So there's 2 pieces of that wood, and then it also comes with the hardware, and you can scan the QR code to have the instructions and video form, which is also amazing if you're struggling or somebody who doesn't normally do a lot of like house DIY type of stuff. So there you go. Can't wait to get these installed.